What if I told you that we made a belt that you never have to adjust, is ultra comfortable, and extremely durable? Well, we did, and it's called the Groove Belt. Hey guys, Peter Goodwin here, founder of Groove Life. We've been working on this belt for over a year now, and it's turned out great. I want to show you what we did. Get to work. First off, we bought every belt on the market that we could find. We stretched them, we pried them, we tightened them, beat them, bent them, abused them to find out all the flaws that they had. Most belts, especially cloth or nylon, they bunch up on that back belt loop. We call this problem the bacon belt. In a world of stretchy pants and even stretchy underwear, why are belts so flippin' rigid? With all the belts that we tested, they all had this excess floppy part beyond the buckle that was hard to manage. The biggest problem we found with all belts is that you have to adjust them every time you put them on, and sometimes you have to adjust them throughout the day, if you know what I mean. So those are the problems with most belts. With that information, we went to work, and here's what we came up with. So the first thing that we did here at Groove was solve the bunch-up problem. We like to call this Stiff Tech. It's extremely tightly woven nylon that doesn't bunch up on that back belt loop. Secondly, the Groove belt contains Stretch Tech. Stretch Tech is the perfect blend of flexible material that allows the belt to move with you throughout the day. Thirdly, we use Neodymium Magnets in our buckles. It's called Snap Tech. I feel like we could have used a little more brain power in coming up with these names. Quick disclaimer for all you ASMR people, this thing is more satisfying than pickles. The fourth innovation on the Groove belt was the anti-flap design. Your excess webbing is held by our keeper loop, where it remains hidden behind the outer strap, so you don't even know it's there. The Groove buckle combined with the stretch webbing has eliminated the need for all ratchets, holes, and sliding bars. So you can adjust this belt one time and never again. Oh, and there's Secure Tech. Secure Tech is the way the webbing flows through the belt, so when you tighten your belt, it won't come loose throughout the day. And if that wasn't enough, this thing is just downright sexy. It comes in a low profile with tons of design combinations. So here's a little bit about the company. I started Groove 5 years ago in Alaska in my garage, and now we employ over 100 people here in Nashville, Tennessee. People from all over the world love our products.
I like to wear my wedding band. I like to wear it when I work out.
They're fantastic, and they're better than any other silicone ring that I've ever found.
I've been wearing mine for almost a year, and it's awesome.
This is the third project that we've launched on Kickstarter, following our Groove rings and Groove watch bands. And just like our other premium products, this belt comes with a 94-year no BS warranty. If you ever have any problems with it, we'll replace it. So if you want the most comfortable, stylish, durable, and functional belt on the market, then back our Kickstarter today. The prices will never be as low as they are now. Thanks guys, and keep grooving.